Just picture this image in your head. It's the late 1970s and early 1980s. A new energy is cruising through the world of sports. As athletes are trying to push their limits, one brand is determined to change them forever. Yeah, this is Adidas, a name that is not just well known in athletics, but also in music, fashion, and culture. Anywhere you see those iconic 3 stripes running down the side, you know that it's not just here as an accessory. It's here to make a statement. It's something more than just style. The introduction of the superstar, once a humble basketball shoe, becomes a cultural phenomenon, embraced by hip-hop legends and streetwear lovers alike. These shoes were one of a kind in the sneaker game. They prove significant bridging the gap between sports and lifestyle. But the real question is, how did Adidas manage to get such a humongous amount of success, even in street cred and global influence? Get ready to go down a journey that reveals how Adidas transformed not just athletic wear, but also pop culture itself, creating a legacy that extends far beyond what anyone could have imagined at the time. And hey, if you're a true Adidas aficionado, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Before we understand anything else, we need to first travel back in time to the 1920s. This is where the story of Adidas begins. It all started with the idea of a man named Adolf Dassler, a passionate athlete who was determined to improve sports footwear. He didn't have many resources except an unwavering focus and goal. He started out in his mother's washroom in Germany, crafting handmade shoes designed to enhance performance. After World War II, Adolf partnered with his brother, Rudolf, and they formed Gebruder Dassler Fabric. I hope I got that right. Their innovative shoes gained fame when worn by athletes at the 1936 Berlin Olympics. However, a rift between the brothers led to the creation of 2 rival brands. Rudolf launched Puma, while Adolf rebranded as Adidas, derived from his own name. So yeah, whether you're a die-hard Adidas fan or Puma fan, both end up going to the same family line, so I guess the joke's on you. In the 1950s, Adidas introduced iconic models like the Samba, which made a comeback, and Superstar, solidifying its reputation in sports. The introduction of the 3 stripes logo symbolized quality and performance. As the brand evolved, it drew inspiration from the rise of hip-hop and street culture in the 1970s, collaborating with influential musicians and athletes. Adidas has always focused on innovation, using new materials and technologies to lead in both sports and casual wear. But the real question is, how are Adidas shoes created? From its humble beginnings, Adidas has evolved into a global leader in athletic footwear, renowned for its commitment to innovation and performance. So, how does Adidas create the shoes that dominate fields, courts, and urban landscapes? Let's break it down. Number 1, design and innovation. Adidas's design process takes place in state-of-the-art facilities where creativity meets cutting-edge technology. Designers collaborate with engineers to develop footwear that enhances performance across various sports. Utilizing advanced 3D modeling and virtual prototyping, they can quickly iterate designs, minimizing the need for physical samples and speeding up the developmental process. One of the prime examples of Adidas's innovative spirit is the introduction of Boost technology, launched in 2013. This cushioning system revolutionized comfort and energy returning in running shoes, setting a new standard in performance footwear. Number 2. Material sourcing. Adidas places a strong emphasis on using high-quality materials sourced ethically, with a growing focus on sustainability. Whether it's premium leather for lifestyle shoes or durable synthetics for performance gear, each material is selected to meet specific demands of athletes. The brand has made significant strides in eco-friendly initiatives, such as the use of Parley Ocean plastic. Which incorporates recycled ocean waste into footwear. This commitment not only reduces environmental impact, but also resonates with consumers who prioritize sustainability. Number 3. Manufacturing. Once the designs are finalized and materials sourced, production begins in advanced factories, primarily located in Asia. These facilities blend skillful craftsmanship with innovative technologies, ensuring that every pair of Adidas shoes meets the brand's high standards for quality and performance. Through this process, Adidas continues to push the boundaries of athletic footwear, remaining a prominent name in both sports and fashion. But here is the real deal. What is the factor that separates Adidas from the others? What makes Adidas a top player in the sneaker industry and allows it to maintain its status over the years? It's more than just producing quality footwear. It's the brand's creativity, marketing strategies, and ability to resonate with its consumers that makes them different. First, marketing. Adidas has mastered the art of storytelling, effectively connecting with consumers on an emotional level. Their campaigns often go beyond just shoes, promoting themes of empowerment, individuality, and cultural significance. Iconic slogans like "Impossible is nothing" encapsulate this philosophy. The brand has also collaborated with a diverse range of artists, musicians, and designers, creating buzzworthy capsule collections that draw in different audiences. Notably, their partnership with Kanye West for the Yeezy line has not only elevated the brand's status in streetwear, but also created a cultural phenomenon, demonstrating Adidas' ability to innovate in marketing. And secondly, cultural impact. Adidas has a unique capability to influence and define culture across various spheres. The brand recognizes the power of athletes as ambassadors, with partnerships featuring icons like Messi, Beyoncé, and Pharrell Williams. These collaborations reach beyond sports, enabling Adidas to connect with fashion, music, and lifestyle, transforming it into a symbol of self-expression and creativity. The brand's commitment to inclusivity and sustainability also resonates with socially conscious consumers, reinforcing its relevance and popularity in today's world. Through these strategies, Adidas not only keeps up with the ongoing trends, but also shapes them, ensuring its place as a powerhouse in the sneaker market. The price. Why are Adidas shoes so expensive? Now let's try to understand the stuff that goes into the cost of Adidas shoes. Why do you often find yourself spending quite a good amount for a pair? The price is such because of several key factors that contribute to the value of the brand. Number 1, research and development. Adidas invests heavily in research and development to create iconic footwear that also enhances performance. This commitment to technology and design ensures that each shoe is equipped with the latest advancements, from boost cushioning to sustainable materials. Number 2. Premium materials. Adidas is known for sourcing high-quality materials, whether it's luxurious leather or advanced synthetic fabrics. The use of sustainable materials like Parley Ocean plastic not only supports environmental initiatives but also enhances the quality and performance of the shoes. Number 3. Ethical manufacturing. Adidas has faced its share of scrutiny over labor practices but has made significant strides in recent years. The brand is committed to ethical manufacturing, ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions for its employees. While these practices can increase production costs, they're vital to Adidas's commitment to corporate responsibility. Number 4. Marketing costs. Adidas's marketing strategy involves high-profile collaborations and advertising campaigns that require substantial investment. The costs associated with celebrity endorsements, promotional events, and creative campaigns are reflected in the price of their shoes. 5. Brand value. Finally, consumers are willing to pay a premium for Adidas products due to the brand's strong reputation for quality, performance, and style. Purchasing Adidas isn't just about acquiring footwear. It's about embracing a lifestyle and connecting with a global community of athletes and fashion enthusiasts. But there's more that goes into these shoes than you could ever imagine. Don't believe me? Here are some interesting facts about Adidas that really give the shoes that it factor. In 1925, Adidas introduced the first soccer shoe with detachable cleats. This innovation allowed players to adjust their footwear based on field conditions, setting a new standard in sports equipment and giving Adidas an edge in athletic performance. Adidas launched the Adizero line in 2010, which focused on creating some of the lightest running shoes on the market. The Adizero Feather, weighing just 5.8 ounces, was designed for elite runners, showcasing Adidas's commitment to performance and speed. In 2020, Adidas collaborated with Pharrell Williams to launch the Human Race line, emphasizing inclusivity and diversity. This collection features vibrant colors and styles, reflecting cultural heritage while promoting a message of unity and self-expression through footwear. As Adidas continues to innovate and expand its cultural influence, the brand shows no signs of slowing down. So the next time you put on a pair of Adidas, remember, you're not just wearing shoes, you're stepping into a legacy of creativity and excellence cultivated over many years. And well, that's definitely worth the investment. That brings us to the main segment of this video about what exactly is the future of Adidas. Will they change their production techniques then? In the future, Adidas is most likely to focus on sustainability, innovation, and digital transformation and keep it as their prime focus. As consumer demand for eco-friendly products rises, the brand will probably expand its sustainable materials and practices, aiming to reduce its environmental impact, as it's been criticized in the aspect by the public in the past. In terms of innovation, Adidas is expected to enhance its performance technologies, possibly through collaborations with tech companies, ensuring that its footwear and apparel meet the evolving needs of athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Additionally, the digital landscapes will also play a crucial role, with a strong emphasis on e-commerce and personalized shopping experiences. By leveraging data analytics and AI, Adidas can better understand consumer preferences, and that would help out its supply chain. Global collaborations and limited edition drops may continue to attract younger consumers, maintaining the brand's relevance in the competitive sportswear market. Overall, Adidas is set to adapt and thrive by aligning its strategies with emerging trends and consumer values. If you found this video entertaining, don't forget to like the video and share it for more such content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for more updates.